Here's what no one likes to say out loud. The AI model is not the most important part of an AI system. I know this sounds wrong, but engineers building production AI in 2026 are learning this the hard way. The harness is what determines whether an AI system will work reliably, and most people don't even know it exists. Well, let me fix that. An AI harness is the operational layer built around a language model. The language model generates text. That's all it does. The harness is what turns that text generation into reliable, repeatable action. It controls what context the model sees, which tools it can access, how its memory is managed across a season, and what quality check its output has to pass through before anything is executed. Without a harness, an AI model is powerful but directionless. The harness is what tells it where to go and what its boundaries are. Here's a real example. I'm sure you've heard of OpenAI's Codex coding agent. Well, the team behind Codex wrote over 1 million lines of code. There were only 3 engineers on that team, 5 months of work, and 0 lines of those 1 million lines of code were written by humans. The engineers didn't write the code. What they did was design the harness. They designed the constraints, the feedback loop, the documentation structures, and the rules that kept the AI system from drifting into bad patterns over time. The model did the work, but the AI harness made it reliable enough to trust. That is the shift that is happening right now in AI engineering. The model is no longer the hard part. The harness is. Now, you don't have to be building production software for this harness to matter to you. Every time you use a coding agent like Cursor, Cloud Code, there's a harness shaping what the model can and cannot do, what it remembers, and how it handles mistakes. And as AI agents take on longer and more complex tasks, the harness becomes the difference between an agent that ships work and an agent that breaks halfway through. So AI harness is basically what keeps AI models in check. And that's how they are able to handle complex multi-turn coding tasks without breaking down. So have you heard of AI harness? And did this video help to break it down? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you subscribe because this is Tech with Praise James, where AI makes sense. Bye.